The stock market's worst Christmas Eve on record did get the attention of people all across San Diego, and not in a good way. 10 News reporter John Horn explains why locals could be bracing themselves for some really tough decisions.
Talking to people in this area about the stock market, you get one or two main reactions. They're either afraid to look, or they say it's way too early to panic.
My IRA is hurting.
But James Adams says the damage is already done.
It's too late to move money around now, so we just have to weather it and hope it goes back up.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped more than 650 points on Monday, its worst Christmas Eve ever. The Dow has gone down 15% in the last 3 weeks, pushed by political gridlock leading to a government shutdown, trade wars, and rising interest rates.
Hopefully the panic doesn't create a stampede.
Coronado resident Eric Kazarjian says he doesn't like what he's seeing right now, but he says there is still time to, so to speak, right the ship.
I kind of think it's like the Titanic. I think we don't have an iceberg right ahead of us, but we should pay attention to where we're going.
And we go down much quicker than we go up.
Financial advisor Dennis Brewster says it's important not to panic when the market drops. Selling off investments locks in the losses.
It's hard to keep your perspective when we're in the middle of these declines. That's the hardest thing. Easy to sit here and say, much harder to do. And that's what I just encourage people to try to keep a longer-term view.
Of course, if you're about to retire and need that money now, recovery time is a luxury you may not have. John Horn, 10 News.
The Dow closed below 22,000 today for the first time since September of 2017 when it was on the way up. It reached a peak of about 26,800 in October.